All right, so you're going to be opening it up now. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be learning different words that mean the same sign. So see, even if you didn't do it in the right order, it's okay. Just make sure we're starting with the one where the shark mouth is eating the X. See him? Nom, 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 nom. So we're starting with that. And so that, remember, means X is it less than or greater than? If the mouth is eating it, greater than, right? So start out, it's greater than. So if we see greater than, we know the variable, remember, it could be on either side, but the variable should be eating, or the mouth should be eating the variable. Other words that could signify greater than are like more than, older than. So we're going to be looking at like word type problems too. Older, I'm writing older twice, then. And so if we see words that look like greater than, more than, older than, we know the sign should look something like this. And so I'm going to come up with an example. And I'm going to say that, there's a younger sibling in here. Kayla, how old's your sibling? 13. Girl or boy? Girl. So my example is going to be Kayla, and you're writing this down too. Kayla is older than her 13-year-old sister. So my example is Kayla is older than her 13-year-old sister. So Kayla could be 1,000 years old. Kayla can be 14, but she can't be 13 because we know she's older than that, right? And so how we would write that, here's my girl Kayla right here, and here's 13. Is she older or younger than 13? Older, so the mouth's going to be eating Kayla. Kayla's older. Shark likes to eat the bigger value, right? The older, bigger. That's just, so you can write, if you want to write a different example, that's fine. But we're going to be just going over words that mean like greater than. And this is not anything I want you memorizing, because you guys have enough to memorize in school. I don't need you memorizing this. All right, the next one is greater than or equal to. Remember, it has that line underneath it. And so things like that can be at least. So if we see the word at least, we know it's greater than or equal to. Minimum. So like at least, minimum, something and older. So basically, it's if I said that Jaylene is having people over, right? Yeah. Jaylene's having people over, and she says she wants a minimum of 10 people at her party, or she's not going to think she's cool enough, right? She said, I need a minimum, in order for me to be cool, I need a minimum of 10 people to show up. If she just had Michael show up, would she be cool in her eyes? No. If she had 15 of you show up, would she be cool? Yeah. No. In her eyes, minimum of 10 people, right? So we're going to use that one. So Jaylene needs a minimum of 10 people at her party. So here's people at Jaylene's party. She needs it to be 10 or greater than 10 or equal to 10 people there. Or she's not going to think she's cool, right? She's at least 10 people there in order for it to be a fun party in her eyes. We could also do at least. So if I want to say, like, you at least need a 70 to pass this class, that would be you need a 70 or greater. The next one is less than. And that could be like fewer than. younger than and so that could be something like in order to go on this playground, you need to be under 8 years old, right? So in order to go on this playground, you got to be a kid under 8. If I was 8 and it's my birthday, I just turned 8, can I go on that playground? Under 8, right? And so we don't use this one as much, but like even if Jaylene's mom said, well, no, you only can have less than 5 friends. She would have to have less than that, right? She could only have 4 friends. And so we'll use one less than, we'll do a Maya. So Maya can have less than 5 friends over. So she can't have 5, she only can have less than 5. So here's a Maya. Remember that booty is pointed towards a Maya because she only can have less than that, right? The last one is less than or equal to. And so that could be a maximum. That could be at most. And so something like that, if I said that Maya can have at most 3 cookies, could she eat the whole box? No. Could she have 1 cookie? Could she have 3 cookies? She could have equal to it, right? And so if we're doing it that way, so here's Samaya, and she can have at most 5 cookies. So she can have less than or equal to 5 cookies. And so when you come across these words, I do not want you to memorize them. And so today what we're actually going to be doing after we do our little activity is in your groups, they're going to be coming up with like, you know how Miss K does like, don't drop that negative and like weird things to help you remember things. And so in your group, you're going to be creating like a song, rap, funny meme, something that's going to help your class remember all this. So that's kind of what we're doing towards the end. But before that, I want to make sure you guys know these words. And so what I'm going to have you guys do